Do you really need a new stick, or do I need to shorten mine?
Shorten yours.
Ow!
I'm gonna like record by sitting over here because I'm tired and I'm lazy and it's hot.
But, fine. That'll work. Hey. Okay. Ready? Did that freak you out? No. This time, stop! Let's stick to actual technique instead of just swinging it in front of you. I'm not just swinging it in front of me. Believe it or not, she's swinging it in front of her like this. I don't know any technique. Exactly! No, actually, I don't. I don't do that, I swear. Let's try. Alright. There you go. You call that technique? No, stop. Stage fright. Okay, fine. Okay. Are we doing this or not? Okay. Not so much as you're kicking me. You say I'm the one swinging it in front of me. Need a new weapon. You're not gonna find any over there. We got all the good ones in February. Hey, ow. Pain.
What? Where'd the pain come from? Are these the same size?
I'm not shortening mine.
He's fine. I call that pain.
I do too.
There. You should see my leg.
It's my only chance.
Oh, you want to kick?
No, I don't.
I hit my own leg.
You hit your own leg? How does that work?
What do you expect from me? Come on.
Hey, we switched sides.
Why do we have so much fun beating each other up?
You should see me anything.
Oh, I have to.
No, he slapped me.
I know. I'm serious. Quit kicking me. I'll kick you back.
Ow! Ow! No! That, my dear, is called strategy.
Ow!
Ow! Look at that! Look at that! Right there!
Feet are already damaged from walking on asphalt yesterday. No! You gotta grab the stick. And you say I'm the one swinging over.
Yes, I do!
Come on. Hey, we should have traded sticks. We should be like wearing gloves. I'm dead serious, like arm length. Like up to here. Back armor? Ow. What? Ow.
See?
Hey. That's nothing. It looks like I've been branded.
Mine looks worse.
Quit!
Switch sticks.
Fine.
Ooh.
Alright. It's lighter, it feels. Your stings more, you realize that, right? Whoa! Ow!
Are you sure? Are you sure about that?
Okay. I'm not sure which part comfort. Here, or here. Okay, fine. Your point is made.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
See, I knew we should have switched sticks earlier.
What'd you say?
Ah!
Whoa! Broken.
You nearly got me! good.
Okay, look at this. I have a cross on my forearm. I have one right there.
Oh,
Mine's bleeding.
Oh.
Look at that.